DJ. Look.
This is Josh eating a barbecue, which looks pretty nasty. Look at that shit. Ugh.
Wow.
Hot damn. Yeah, that's like that, you can get lost.
Not you, Chubby.
Not you, fat ass. Oh, you should be eating Korean more.
Look at how yellow that guy's teeth are.
Right. That bitch is eating food. She's eating it up, son. Eat that shit, bitch. Eat it.
Remember when we saw Abby eating food? And she's like,